Hello there and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm gonna explain to you how to create faceless YouTube videos with my channels. First, you have to make your channel there. Our channel has been created now. We need to figure out the branding. I'm starting off by asking chatgpt for 50 YouTube channel names. There's a lot to choose from, so I'ma pick this one, the inspired life. Next up, our profile picture. I'm gonna use Canvas, which is a great free AI tool that lets you create visuals. You can easily create a logo from templates they have, or create yours from scratch. My end product is going to be this. Now, let's show you how. Make a video. So the first step is deciding what target audience are you gonna go for. You need a niche and you really want to get creative here on what niche you end up picking, as some are profitable and some aren't. So the first step is hopping onto chat, which can write out an entire story for you automatically. So I'm gonna go ahead and go with, give me a short story idea for someone who grew up stealing because he was extremely poor and couldn't afford food, but later gets rich when he's older. I'm going for a motivational channel as well. Now chatgpt will automatically generate this entire story for you. So once it's done writing the story, all you have to do is just copy the text, and the next steps is creating an AI voice to narrate over your story. So we're gonna go on to 11 laps, and I'm gonna use this tool because it's free and it's using advanced AI technology to generate voices that sounds like a real person. Next, that story you copied from chatgpt, you're just gonna enter it here and you can select whatever type of voice you want. They have a bunch of different choices you can go with. Now, once you have selected your voice, click here and download the audio. Now the next step is going on to Pictoria A. Make sure you hit script to video and you're gonna paste in your script there and upload your audio as well. Now what this platform does is automatically fill out the B-roll, which is the back images for you, and you can change the subtitles, the images. You can change anything you want after you created your video and downloaded it. We need to create a thumbnail for the video, and all you will have to do is go into Canva and type in YouTube thumbnail and choose a template and go from there. Next, you're going to need a title and description. Go ahead and use chat for that as well. All you're going to do is ask chatgpt your idea and give me YouTube title names and ask it to write a description for that video as well. Once you copy all that and paste it into your title and description, congratulations, your channel is ready and you posted your first video now. I hope you guys learned something from this video. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button.